don't know what happened, but they decided to vandalize the garden, and so they destroyed the containers, and they also destroyed the pots that had flowers in them. So then in September, Logan from Ace Hardware, he called me and let me know that they'd be willing to donate some things to the school in order to reestablish the garden.
We're helping at Banks Elementary with their garden that was destroyed probably earlier this year. We donated a couple items to them to help kickstart their garden. So now we're here cleaning everything up and then putting all the donations to work. We've been serving our community for 34 years, so community is a big part of our store, and just hearing something about, especially at an elementary school, the devastating thing, it really helps us push because it's for the kids. It helps them grow up learning about gardening, everything like that.
Ace, graciously donated potting soil, pots, and paint, and bird feeders, and bird food, and hummingbird feeders, and a bunch of other things too that were in the garden. Very generous that they did that. So I have, we have parents, I have teachers, I have students, and we have Ace Hardware here also helping out with, cleaning up the old spot, and then moving the garden over to a new spot where it's probably a little bit more secure. Really want to thank Ace Hardware for their generosity, for replacing all the things that were broken, and for assisting us with the cleanup as well and the reestablishment of the garden.